Hey, you guys! It's literally me! I'm Bunny. Sometimes I buy stuff, sometimes I say stuff, sometimes I do stuff. What's up, guys? Thank you so much for clicking on this video, and Merry Hexmas to wherever you are in the world. Today is going to be just a really quick, fun, non-stressful video. Non-stressful for you, but I'm sitting over here. We are just going to be looking at how I themed the Hexmas season for the Gothic Farmhouse. I know I did this last year. We did Merry Gothmas and I had like a red and black motif. This year the theme was Silver Hills, and I kind of went into it wanting like a silver and green theme, and of course some black did get put in there. But this is just, again, based on, I try to do all of my themes like less Christmas oriented and more kind of bringing back the old pagan folklore of like where this holiday season actually began. It's really kind of stems from when people would bring the outside in when it got cold outside, and that's where we get our whole idea of the Christmas tree and adornments of like dried fruit and outside nature things like pine cones and cinnamon. So I mean, I tried to kind of keep that year to year as like the core kind of idea for the theme. So this year when I wanted to do Silver Hells, I wanted to kind of keep like a silvery, snowy, and also green theme. Green for the outdoor trees and just life outside, and then the silvery, snowy part for the season. So what we're gonna do is go downstairs and we're gonna like kind of look at some of the things that the Gothic Farmhouse has, and then we're gonna come back here and I have a little surprise. So I will see you in a minute. Of course, we're starting with the heart of the living area. This is our TV console stands. As you can see, I did put some white lights around the topiaries on either side of the TV console. I did do this last year, and I just think that it gives like a little bit of a nice holiday feel when you have these lights on the topiaries. It also has a really nice glow at nighttime when we're watching television. So I think these came out, again, really, really nice, and they add a really great touch. The items on the console I kept very simple. I went with the kind of gray, green, and white trees, and then also with our black adornments that kind of hang around all year round. I did actually keep our little wraith guy out this year because I felt he had like a Ghost of Christmas Past kind of feeling, so I felt like he fit the vibe. So there's our little console unit. Again, very simple, kind of minimal, but still gives the feeling in this cute little holiday season. The next thing that I did this year was I hung another garland on the staircase. This one is not lit this year, kind of got a little lazy, but I found it at Home Goods or at home this year. And I just thought with the flocked fur and the silver trimmings and the white magnolia flowers, it was a nice addition to the theme. Moving over to our fireplace, again, very minimal, but still, you know, has feeling of the season. I started with some of our eucalyptus that I had for our midsummer theme, and I did kind of twine around some of the silver leaves I got in a Shein haul around, I want to say last year, but I think the light green with the silver is really, really pretty. And I did pick up these black and silver votive holders at home last year when Christmas was half off. So I thought that all came together really, really well. And with the green eucalyptus, it actually goes really well with all of the green houseplants that we have inside right now because it's too cold, but I love it. And in our stockings, again, really simple. Hubs and I have a plain white fur one, and then the boys have the 2 Killstar Hexmas stockings. So that is pretty traditional for this look. And then here's the entire hearth on its own. Very, very perfect for the theme. Moving over to our dining room table scape, again, very simple. This is how I like it. I wanted to keep with the tree theme. So I do have a variety of little trees that I purchased at Hobby Lobby, at home, and Home Goods. This one is taller and it's flocked slightly to give that snow feel. And then I have this black and silver glittery kind of, I don't know. I like the way that thing looks. I don't know what you would call it, but I liked it. It was black and silver, kind of gothy, and then some wooden trees. Them stacked together, I think looks really cute. It's nice and simple, but still gives the overall holiday effect. And then over to the coffee bar. This, again, very, very simple, if you can see a theme going here. I did get these really small little flocked wreaths at Hobby Lobby. They were like 40% off, so they were $5.99 a piece. And I thought, oh, those are going to be great under the sconces. And then I pulled this guy out from last year. This is just a sparkly cone black tree, which I love. Statement piece, great. Here's the other wreath because obviously I needed to make this whole thing symmetrical. But when you pull out, I do think that this is just a nice little holiday touch to the coffee bar side. And now we're gonna move over to the tree. Listen guys, I got another tree this year and I know it's only 4 foot tall, but we have a little gremlin that loves to eat the trees. And so I had to craft this kind of poster board barrel underneath it so that he couldn't get to the ornaments. I know we have the black tree, but I really wanted to go with the snow flocked this year. I think this tree came out fantastic. It's gorgeous. It has that flocked soft snow that even covers some of the lights, and so it gives a really soft glow effect. I've got these silver peacock feathers and these gray silver icicles. I also have some clear and black chandeliers in there. You want to talk about soft goth glam? This is it. Little tiny felt gray roses from my Shein haul. And I also got these like mirrored and black nautical stars from at home last year at Christmas clearance. All together, this look, I'm in love with this look. I wanted soft goth glam for the Silver Hells theme, and I definitely think that I achieved it. I love this little tree. Absolutely gorgeous. And then the last thing is how I wrapped the gifts this year. Again, staying super simple with the silver and green theme. I bought 1 roll of silver striped wrapping paper, and then I bought a couple rolls of different colored green ribbon, and I wanted to keep it really smart, really simple, and then that's how they turned out. And I think it goes with the theme, it goes with the tree, it goes with the whole entire Silver Hells theme this year. Here's a little panorama of the entire space. You guys know I'm so in love with my home. I know it's small and it's kind of non-traditional, but I love kind of giving a feeling from season to season and just living in it all year round. And this is how I decided to share this Hexmas season this year with you guys. And we're back. Thank you for going on that little journey with me. What did you guys think? Did you think it came out like what I was trying to describe, that nice silvery green outdoorsy kind of minimalist feeling? I actually love how it came out. I love like a clean feeling, and I felt like it wasn't too overcluttered, and I really like it. That brings us to a little thing that I want to do. Since it is Hexmas season and I am in a little bit of a giving mood, I'm actually always in a giving mood. It's just I'm super busy all the time, and I would wish I could just like buy everyone everything. Like that would be awesome. But listen, I have 5 Ugly Bunny boxes here. These are packed full of makeup from boxes that I got last year and maybe some just things that I bought and I didn't really care for. But each one of these boxes is packed to the brim with products. So what I want to do is, if you stayed here this long, I want you to comment down below. And I'm sorry, this is only for the US people. I'm so sorry. I know it's like holiday season and I should be able to give to everybody, but it's also holiday season. I'm a little strapped. and I have been putting money that I've been getting back into the channel, and I just don't have that much to ship internationally right now. These run about 10 bucks a piece to ship inside the US, and I have 5 of them, so I can allot $50 to ship these out to you guys. But what I need you to do, you're gonna use the code word Krampus, okay? Krampus is one of my favorite holiday deities, and I can't wait to watch the movie this weekend. I'm so excited. If you are in the US and you want to try and win one of these little ugly bunny boxes, comment down below and use the word Krampus. I don't care if you just say something ridiculous and then put Krampus at the end or whatever, but you're going to use that word. I'm going to use a random comment generator, and I'm going to pick 5 winners from this video. I will comment back to you if you are chosen and ask you to email me your mailing address. And then I'm hopefully going to ship these probably, let's say around the beginning of the year. I'm not going to put a date on this. I don't know when people are going to be able to watch because it is holiday time. So some people may be able to watch after Christmas. I'm going to keep this open definitely after Christmas, but I will just go ahead and start commenting when I pick the winners. So again, if you're in the US and you want to win one of these little ugly bunny boxes for Hexmas, let's go ahead and comment down below. Use the word Krampus. I'm going to put it right here so you know how it's spelled, Krampus. And one of these days, I will use a random comment generator and you guys will get these boxes. So this is my little gift to you. I'll thank you for watching all year. This has just been so great of a year for me and YouTube. If you could please like this video, it really does help me out. If you could comment down below, and if you live in the US and want a box for Hexmas, comment Krampus. And if you could subscribe to follow all of these antics, that would be the awesomest. I love you guys so much. I will see you on the next one. Bye. Happy Hexmas!